Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the basic concepts of JSON, a fundamental concepts you will encounter in almost every modern software application. First of all, what is JSON? Stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Despite the name, JSON is not limited to JavaScript. It is a universal data format that is easy for both humans and machines to read and write. Let's begin with creating a JSON object. To create one, you will need to follow the key value pair structure and enclose everything in curly braces. The keys are always string, and the values can be string, numbers, objects, arrays, booleans, or even null. Because of this fundamental structure, JSON is compatible with various programming languages. To save this object as a JSON file, simply give your file a name with the .json extension. Let's jump into the real-life example. Imagine we are building a weather app. We can represent weather data using JSON. In this JSON object, we have three key value pairs: city, temperature, and condition. The keys are string, and the values can be string or a number. Now let's say our weather app needs to show forecast for next few days. We can use JSON array for that. Here the forecast key holds an array of objects. Each object represents a day's forecast with its own key value pairs. JSON is everywhere. When you send a message on any chatting app, it is often converted to JSON behind the scenes. APIs use JSON to exchange data between different systems. Imagine you are using a weather API to fetch real-time data. It will likely to respond with JSON. Now let's discuss the advantages that make JSON a game changer. JSON's structure is intuitive and human-friendly. Unlike complex binary formats, JSON is easy to read and comprehend, which greatly helps developers during coding and debugging. JSON is incredibly lightweight. It uses minimal amount of characters to represent data. This not only makes it efficient for data transmission over networks, but also contributes to faster parsing and processing. JSON's flexibility is one of its standout features. It can represent a wide variety of data structures, from simple values to complex nested objects and arrays. This adaptability makes JSON suitable for many use cases. JSON is understood by virtually all modern programming languages, allowing seamless data exchange across different systems. JSON plays incredibly well with web technologies. It is the standard data format for communication between web servers and clients, which is why it is widely used in web APIs. Virtually every programming language offers built-in or third-party libraries for parsing JSON, making it effortless to convert JSON data into native data structures. Lastly, JSON is a versatile and essential concept in modern programming. It is a fantastic way to represent and exchange data across different platforms and languages. As a software developer, you will encounter JSON regularly, so understanding the basics is crucial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Happy coding!